Replace the gym with this home workout, no weights needed. Strength training at the gym is great and all, but what happens if you can't go to the gym? Fortunately, there are tons of exercises that don't require machines and weights. And yes, you can truly work your entire body without those. In this video, we will be giving you a home workout that can replace the one you do at the gym. It's a full-body dynamic workout that incorporates power, strength, cardio, and mobility. You might not be familiar with some of them, such as pendulum lunge and touchdown jack, so keep watching as we will be covering more about them. Part 1. Do each move for 60 seconds. Rest for 15 seconds in between each move. Do the entire Part 1 twice. Blast off push-up. Begin with a push-up position, then bend your knees and raise your hips behind you. While doing so, your arms must be straight and your back flat. Quickly push through your toes to move your body forward, bending your elbows to lower yourself into a push-up. Reverse the movement to return to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Squat thrust. Start with your feet hip-width apart. Second, bend your knees and place your hands on the floor. Kick your legs behind you to get into a high plank. Lastly, jump your feet back into just outside your hands, then stand up tall. Pendulum lunge. To begin, do a single lunge forward and clap hands under the forward leg. Second, swinging the same leg, move backward into a lunge, then clap the hands again under the forward leg. Repeat so that one leg is constantly on the move while the other is planted. Mountain climber twist. Start with your body in the plank position. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Next, bring your left knee up toward the right elbow and then quickly alternate legs. Continue switching legs until a set is complete. Pause squat. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and toes slightly turned out. Bend your knees, then push your hips back as you lower down into a squat. This time, hold the bottom position for a whole 3 seconds. Push through your heels to go back to the starting position. Part 2. Do 1 rep of each, 2 reps each next, then 3 reps and so on. Go as high as you can get in 5 minutes. Touchdown jack. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and toes slightly turned out. Second, bend your knees and push your hips back as you lower down into a squat. Tap the floor with your right hand, keeping your chest lifted. Then jump your feet together as you stand and jump them back out to the beginning position. Do another squat, but with your left hand tapping this time. Panther shoulder tap. Lift your knees until they're 2 inches off the floor and keep a neutral spine. Tap your right hand to your left shoulder, then your left hand to your right shoulder. While doing this, keep your hips as still as you can. Continue alternating sides. Burpee. First off, stand up with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms at the sides. Get into a squat position and place your hands on the floor. Kick your legs back into a plank position. Then jump your legs forward to return to a squat position. Finally, return to the initial position. Want to ask a question or maybe comment something about the video? Write them below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.